English Tagalog phrases, lesson number 41. He's really fun to be with. He's such a goof. He's really fun to be with. He's such a goof. Ang sarap niya talagang kasama. Kalug kasi. I'm first in line. I'm first in line. Una ako sa pila. Go put on your loungewear. Go put on your loungewear. Magpalit ka na ng damit na pambahay. Let's circle back on that. Let's circle back on that. Balikan natin yan mamaya. Comb your hair, you look like a mess. Comb your hair, you look like a mess. Manuklay ka nga, mukha kang bruha. She looks good in anything she wears. She looks good in anything she wears. Bagay sa kanya kahit anong isuot niya. Try it first before you take a lot. Try it first before you take a lot. Tikman mo muna bago ka kumuha ng marami. They wanted to go out, but the streets are flooded. They wanted to go out, but the streets are flooded. Gusto nilang lumabas, kaya lang baha ang mga kalsada. The sun is out. The sun is out. May araw na. Don't drink on an empty stomach. Don't drink on an empty stomach. Huwag kang uminom ng alak nang walang laman ng tiyan. I'll just heat up the leftovers. I'll just heat up the leftovers. Iinitin ko na lang yung mga tirang pagkain. Is there a gas station along the way? Is there a gas station along the way? May madadaanan ba tayong gasolinahan? You're already late and you're still moving so slow. You're already late and you're still moving so slow. Late ka na nga, ang bagal mo pa. Can this battery still be used? Can this battery still be used? Magagamit pa ba tong baterya na to? Her tooth fell out. Her tooth fell out. Natanggal ang ngipin niya. Talk to him calmly. Talk to him calmly. Kausapin mo siya ng mahinahon. The meeting earlier was pointless. The meeting earlier was pointless. Walang kakwenta-kwenta yung meeting kanina. We're on the same page about UFOs. We're on the same page about UFOs. Pareho kami ng opinyon pagdating sa UFO. Are you better now? Are you better now? Magaling ka na? I've got so much to take care of today. I've got so much to take care of today. Ang dami kong aasikasuhin ngayong araw na to. It feels so crisp outside. It feels so crisp outside. Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin sa labas. My vision is blurry. My vision is blurry. Nanlalabo ang paningin ko. This beef is so tough. This beef is so tough. Ang kunat naman ng baka na to. The leaves are falling. The leaves are falling. Nalalagas na ang mga dahon. It's starting to get chilly. It's starting to get chilly. Nagsisimula ng lumamig. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Malapit na ang Thanksgiving. I overslept. I overslept. Tinanghali ako ng gising. When are we going to have bulalo in Tagaytay? When are we going to have bulalo in Tagaytay? Kailan tayo magbubulalo sa Tagaytay? Do you know how to play billiards? Do you know how to play billiards? Marunong ka bang magbilyar? Is it okay if I ask a question after the presentation? Is it okay if I ask a question after the presentation? Pwede bang magtanong pagkatapos ng presentation?